It's December 31 today, and today we will experience New Year in Baguio City.
Yeah. Papa, what are fireworks?
I hope there's fireworks tonight. We will see. First, we're heading to the market to buy the groceries for tonight. Jonah and the siblings divided what each should get. We are getting the veggies. So tonight will be a big feast. Everyone came back from the market, and all the men started to prepare the dishes in an improvised outer kitchen. Night fell and the cooking still went on. We quickly took the motorbike to get some drinks. Kids played some games, and all the family gathered together for the last dinner of 2025.
Yum yum.
Wow, bistec.
Hey, what is it?
Bistec. Barbecue.
Barbecue,
Oh, barbecue.
kimchi,
Adobo.
adobo,
Grilled fish, maar...
Ja, moet je eventjes kijken.
and
En met is dit?
rice.
you like it, B-boy? It's good? You Oli Bolly?
Yeah.
Everybody did their best and the food was really delicious. So many things. After dinner, the exchange gift started, and I ended up with some yummy chocolates. So the night went on, and we were getting closer to midnight.
You saw that?
Fireworks?
Yeah.
And the moment was there to end 2025. The night went on and on. Thank you all for watching and a Happy New Year.